Hello and welcome to Deck Builders San Jose, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are tackling a question almost every homeowner asks at some point. Should you fix the deck you already have, or is it smarter to start over with a new one? If you walk out onto your deck and notice loose railings, soft spots, or boards that feel bouncy, it is normal to wonder how serious the problem really is. Some issues are mostly cosmetic. Faded stain, light surface cracks, or a squeaky board can often be repaired without a major rebuild. In other cases, what you see at the surface is just a symptom of deeper structural trouble. Let us start with what builders look for. The most important question is always, is the structure safe? We look at posts, beams, and joists, not just the top boards. If the posts are set directly in soil and are rotting at the base, or if the beams are sagging in the middle, that tells us the deck may not be able to support people the way it should. If the connection where the deck meets the house is rusted, loose, or missing proper hardware, that is another major red flag. On the other hand, if the framing feels solid, the posts are on proper footings, and the hardware is in good shape, there is a good chance the structure can be saved. In those cases, replacing old deck boards, tightening fasteners, and updating the railings may give you many more years of safe use. This is where resurfacing comes into the conversation. You keep the bones that are strong and update the parts you see and touch every day. Materials also influence the decision. Older decks are often built with standard wood boards that need frequent staining and sealing. Over time, many homeowners get tired of that routine. When the surface wears out, it can make sense to upgrade to composite decking if the structure underneath is still sound. Composite options like Trex are built to resist fading, moisture, and everyday wear, so you spend less time on maintenance and more time actually using your outdoor space. Budget is the next reality check. Repairs usually cost less in the short term, but if the structure is near the end of its life, you could end up spending money every year just to keep it going. A full replacement has a higher upfront cost, but it resets the clock on the entire deck and brings everything up to current standards. That means better hardware, better flashing, and stronger connections that are designed to handle today's building codes and weather patterns. If you are not sure where your deck stands, a professional inspection is the best first step. At Tough Deck Builders San Jose, we walk through the structure, check the framing, look closely at the posts and footings, and give you a clear picture of what can be safely repaired and what truly needs to be replaced. You can reach our team at 408-831-7954 or visit toughdeckbuilderssanjose.com to learn more about our deck construction services and schedule a review of your existing deck. Here are a few simple questions you can ask yourself right now. First, how old is the deck? If it is 20 years old or more and has never had major structural work, replacement may be the smarter long-term move. Second, do you see signs of rot where the posts meet the ground or where the deck connects to the house? That often points to deeper issues. Third, does the deck feel uneven or bouncy when several people stand in one area? That can indicate the framing is undersized or deteriorating. If you answer yes to several of those questions, it is time to seriously consider a new deck. If most of your concerns are about looks, such as worn boards or dated railings, then repair or resurfacing might be a good fit. Either way, the right plan will keep your family safe and give you more confidence every time you step outside. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders San Jose. If you are ready to figure out whether to repair or replace your deck, reach out to Tough Deck Builders San Jose for straightforward advice and solid, long-lasting construction for your outdoor space.